Are you getting tired of those stock mufflers? Do you want a more aggressive sound out of your Indian Scout? I will show you how I made straight pipe mufflers for my 2022 Indian Scout Bobber 20. The mufflers are made using aluminized steel pipes with baffles and exhaust tips installed on the stock headers. I purchased two 1 3/4 outer diameter aluminized steel pipes at a local exhaust repair shop. The pipes are 12 inches long and expanded on one end to fit over the exhaust header. The length of the expanded pipe is 2 inches. I painted the pipes and the clamps with Air Cure Cerakote with a small sprayer and air compressor. The new pipes needed some light sanding and deburring, and don't forget to clean them with a solvent to remove any oil on the metal before painting. I installed Drag Specialties 1 3/4 inch fiberglass wrap baffles. The baffles require a hole to be drilled in the pipes, and remember to leave enough room for the exhaust tips if needed. My baffles sit about 3/4 of an inch inside the pipe, as you can see. The exhaust tips are from Biltwell and they're called Mohawk. You can purchase baffles and tips that are 1 3/4 inch, even if they're advertised for another make of motorcycle. So, how did the pipe sound? If you have any questions, just let me know. Remember, ride fast and hang tight.